How to fix Viber verification code problem. So if you're trying to log into your Viber or log into your account and you input your phone number but the verification code is not sent to you, I've brought a quick fixes that you can apply in order to solve the problem. So first you will have to go to your Viber's app info and open this, and make sure first of all your Viber is up to date on Play Store. So if your Viber app is not up to date, make sure to update it. Once you open your app info, then you're going to go on permissions and make sure you allow all of these permissions in order for the Viber to function smoothly. So if you do all of this, the problem should be solved. But if it still doesn't send you the verification code, then you are going to go on storage and clear cache. Once you clear cache, you are going to clear all of its data. So this will reset the Viber and you should be able to get the verification code once you input your phone number. But if that still doesn't work, then the last thing you can resort to is if you uninstall this app and reinstall it, the bug fixes might uh, be done, so you can easily get your verification code after you uninstall. Thank you for watching.